Hi, everyone. I'm waiting for the little thing to tell me that we've gone live. I'm going to make this bigger so I can actually see what I'm talking about. Let's see. Hey, we're live. Oh, and my cowlick is doing such fun things today. Hi, it's Anna Walker with Anna Walker Designs and StabThingsIntoExistence.com. And it's a Monday. Thank you, everyone, for huge cups of coffee. Cups of coffee as big as my head. So, this is what it looks like when I get back into the studio after having been gone for 2 weeks. I get a phone call from Mama right as I'm supposed to go live. So, I love you, Mom. I'm proud of you. You're getting things done. So, boy, I'm a little bit of a hot mess this morning, mostly because there is so much to do. Um, One of the things that I'm working on, I'm making some more pumpkins. This time I'm doing them with a black base underneath, like the way that it lets the colors pop just a little bit more, brings in some shadows a little bit more. So I'm having fun making some pumpkins, but that's just a side note. I have a show to apply for, so I'm going to be pulling some pictures together, and I'm going to be creating some new pieces and finishing up some new pieces so that I can take pictures of them for this show application. I'm really hoping that I get accepted for it. Um, and let's see, then there's just, getting ready for the FELTit Experience to open for new members again. We're on countdown. We're on day 10. In 10 days, the membership will be open for new members. And I would love to invite you to join us in that little group. We have an awful lot of fun. We get to do a new felting tutorial every month that I produce here in the studio. And I'm getting ready to, after this weekend, getting ready to film the November one. October is already out. Sorry, I have to give myself kudos for that. I've been working to try to get ahead of the game on my felting videos. They have always occurred within the month that they're supposed to occur. Unfortunately, sometimes they've been occurring at the very end of the month, and I want to get a couple of them banked so that I can get them posted right at the beginning of the month. And October is the first month we've been able to do that. So I'm really happy about that. And the October video is a fun little project that is the freebie. If you head over to stabthingsintoexistence.com and leave us your email, you'll get access to that felted rock rug tutorial. And it was a fun tutorial to do. It's been one that I've been kind of working on off and on for the past year, and I'm glad that the tutorial is finally done and the project is up there and ready for you to give a try yourselves. For November, I'm going to keep it under my hat. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. FELTit members will be able to see what the tutorial is going to be. Hi, Myra. I love you too. It's good to see you. I actually have this up so I can see comments this morning. Um, we're going to do a simple beret hat. And I am looking forward to working that up and getting the tutorial ready to go for November. And then December, we might revisit the hat theme. That's kind of the plan at this point in time, but let's see how the beret goes. But we've got, silly season coming up, and I've got tons of projects waiting for me to finish. I've got about a dozen scarves waiting for me to get rolled and felted up, and a number of projects to finish up. I've got some flowers to wet felt to go over the cores. Hi, Miss Marty. How are you? Thank you. It's good to be home. I've got some pin cushions that'll be coming, and classes are going this weekend. There's the needle felted earrings on Saturday, and dryer balls on Sunday. And then on the 24th, there's still time to sign up. We've got the 24th, the coaster kit. And there are kits available on the website. So, yeah, lots and lots and lots to do. So, it's kind of a good thing that after having been in Iowa, where there's no mask mandate and there were a lot of unmasked individuals, I'm pretty much staying close to home for the next couple of weeks just to make sure that I don't, unintentionally spread anything to anybody. It happens when we don't think it can happen. So news of late has sort of proved that out. Um, so I'll be staying close to home, but I'm hoping that there might be a little backyard celebration, bring your own lawn chair kind of thing going on later this month. Hello, Carolyn. Hi, how are you? Yeah, so we've got some fun going on and some busy stuff going on. So if you're trying to find me, I'll be in the studio for the next several weeks getting ready for hopefully that big show. And if not the big show, then, at least there'll be lots of product on the website. And I've got a little swap just to have some fun on the side and redecorated a little bit. My son moved some things around for me in the living room while I was gone, and it's looking pretty decent. Still on the hunt for the perfect sofa. I love the look of a Chesterfield. I don't love the cost of a Chesterfield. But there is a bespoke company from the UK that has a North Carolina representative, and I got the 3 swatches that I ordered from them. Oh my goodness. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, it's going to be busy and crazy here at the studio, so you know where to find me. Tomorrow I'll probably have some things to show off. Not sure. We'll figure it out. Wednesday, I'll be back to Zooming with my FELTit Experience members. Where Mom is in Iowa, they're still having glitches with communication towers. And the internet was off and on and off and on. And, it made Zooming with my FELTit memberships folks a little difficult. So we will be there Wednesday night. And I can't wait to talk to all of you. Catch up and see what you're working on and show you what I'm working on and get some ideas for some tutorials that you want to see in the future. But yeah, 10 days and the FELTit membership opens up for new members. So if you know someone that would benefit or that would have fun with a membership group that is all about stabbing things into existence and rolling things into existence and creating some loveliness with fiber and color and texture and all of that, send them to stabthingsintoexistence.com. Tell them to leave their email. They can get a little sneak peek with the giveaway for October, and they can see if maybe it's something that they might want to do. This will be the last time that we're at intro level prices. I'm going to raise prices when I go live again in January. So now is the time to jump on that annual membership price of $197. I don't need to tell you about it. Just look at the emails that you've gotten from there's an interview with one of my members, Jody, and it's all about access to me and being able to, have some regular tutorials that are on projects that you really want to do and some techniques that you want to learn and, just expanding your felting knowledge and your felting skills and doing it in a fun group with a lot of folks that want to do the same thing. So, Marty, you lurk all you want, honey, and you knit all you want, honey, because I love you. So hang around. Come back again tomorrow. We'll have something else here from the studio, and it's good to be home. It really is good to be home, and I look forward to talking to all of you again tomorrow. So until then, See you later. Go stab something, preferably with a felting needle.